Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do the moving film strip effect using Final Cut Pro. It's going to look a little something like this when you get done. These are just projects that I've done in my other media arts class, and I'm going to use actually the car footage to show you how to do it today. And it's a little off because the files are a few different lengths, but that's the basic idea. Okay, so first what you want to do is you want to open a file in your viewer. Oh, let's pick one that's not. Okay. And you want to change the duration to 3 minutes, or 3 seconds rather. And the importance of this is just so that all of your clips are the same length, which we're going to use the superimpose function to make all of the rest of them the same length. So I'm going to put this one down the viewer just like that. Okay, this is the driver turning. I'm going to come over here, drag the clips over to superimpose them, and that's not working because it has to be at the beginning of the clip, not the end. I'm not sure if it has to be rendered first, but we'll try both ways. There. Just make sure that your playhead is at the beginning of the clip when you try to superimpose it, and make it the same length as the other clip. Okay, we're just going to get a few of these. I tried to do these in and try to do multiple files at once, so I just did them separately to show you. Okay, so we've got all these files down here and they're all the same length. But what we're going to do is we need to make them smaller than they actually are so that when they go across the screen you can actually see the entire film strip. So you want to scale them down to, I like to do it at about 33%. So you do that, and in order to make it move across the screen, let's see if that actually, 33, so if it'll do that for me, there we go. Okay, so it's scaled down to 33%, and in order to get it to move across the screen you have to change the anchor point. So over here, I'm going to change this to -1000, and I'm going to keyframe that at the beginning of the clip so that it's all the way off the screen over here. Okay, and then we're going to move the playhead over towards the end of the clip, and I'm going to change that to, I believe it's 1000. So like that, and then to see if it worked, just come over here. Guess it didn't. Maybe it is. Oh wait. -1000. This is supposed to be 1000 right there. Okay, there we go. So if I render this, which it takes forever to render, but as you can see, at the beginning of the clip, and then put it to 1000 at the end of the clip so that it'll move all the way across the screen. And we'll just wait for this to render. Alright. I'm just moving these clips over so that we can just see that one clip moving. Okay? Or maybe it rendered all of them, so now it's not going to. Okay. I'm going to do this really quick. I'm going to copy the clip, and then I'm going to select all of these, and I want to paste this clip's attributes to all of these clips. And the basic motion is what I want, and I think it'll scale it for me too, but we can just see. Okay, so now I want to render. Okay, and if I play this clip, you can see that it's just moving by itself across the screen. What we want to do is that right as it's at the edge of your viewer, you want to move your other clip over, and then you can see that it's just about, I want to say like maybe 1 second, but you want that same amount of time in between each of these clips in order for them to come on the screen at the appropriate time. Okay, we'll just try that out. Sorry, there's a bunch of rendering. Okay, and we can see how well that entire process worked. If we play through the clip. And if you notice, they're not like perfectly spread apart, but I only did that so I wouldn't have to render like 8 more times and keep you guys waiting. But that's in a nutshell how to do the Filmstrip tutorial.